Shein, the Chinese fast fashion giant, is facing a lawsuit accusing the company of copyright infringement. 3 graphic designers have filed a lawsuit in a California federal court, claiming that Shein produced and sold exact copies of their designs. The designers argue that Shein utilizes secretive algorithms to determine fashion trends, which allegedly rely on generating exact copies of artists' work. They accuse Shein of repeatedly committing individual infringements and growing rich from these actions. The lawsuit also alleges that Shein violated the Racketeer, Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, RICO. According to the designers, Shein is not a single entity, but rather a de facto association of entities, with Xu Yangtian, also known as Chris Xu, as the mysterious tech genius behind the Shein empire. They point to a documentary called Inside the Shein Machine that highlights the company's enigmatic nature and lack of transparency. The complaint further claims that Shein's corporate structure is decentralized, enabling the company to avoid liability and withhold basic information. The designers argue that Shein intentionally produces small quantities of each model to test for any complaints about stolen designs before making more pieces. In response, Shein has stated that it takes infringement claims seriously and promptly addresses valid complaints from intellectual property rights holders. The company vows to vigorously defend itself against the lawsuit and any unsubstantiated claims. One of the designers involved in the lawsuit, Krista Perry, created a design titled Make It Fun, which featured a multicolored design around the phrase. She later discovered that Shein was selling copies of her design on their website. When she raised the issue, Shein's copyright email address offered her $500 as compensation, which she declined. The lawsuit also accuses Shein of stealing designs from 2 other artists, Jay Barron and Larissa Martinez. Barron's embroidered name tag style patch with the words, "Hello, I'm trying my best," and Martinez's design of overalls with orange daisies were allegedly copied by Shein. Apart from copyright infringement, the lawsuit claims that Shein engages in unethical business practices, including harming the environment, fostering unsafe working conditions, and evading tax payments. RICO, the Federal Anti-Racketeering Act, aims to eliminate organized crime and racketeering from legitimate organizations operating in interstate commerce. Racketeering encompasses various crimes committed in business dealings, such as murder, kidnapping, gambling, arson, robbery, bribery, and extortion. The designers argue that Shein's actions have caused significant damage to their businesses, including diversion of trade, loss of profits, and damage to their reputations. Shein Distribution Corp., Roadgit, and Zoetop are named as defendants in the lawsuit. Shein Distribution is based in Delaware, while Roadgit and Zoetop, located in Singapore and Hong Kong respectively, own Shein's worldwide trademarks and operate its mobile apps and websites. Shein has faced previous accusations of design theft, including allegations related to a crochet sweater, an enamel pin, and earrings. However, lawsuits in the fashion industry can be challenging to resolve due to limited copyright protections for useful things like clothing. The designer's legal representation, which is currently handling similar cases, took on this lawsuit after Perry, Martinez, and Barron reached out for assistance.